Hi, my name is Jani from Valtra Suolahti product marketing team. Behind me is an implement attached to N175 Direct, and this backhoe comes from Rauma, Finland. I heard a rumor recently that this implement could be detached from tractor in 15 minutes. So that sounded like a challenge for me, so let's see how we do. You can see the model here, Hi-Tec 500F, and this unit is available via Unlimited, and this is quite well equipped. So if we see here, there is a rotator and leveling device, and of course there is an extra pair of hydraulics here. So for example, you can attach a drill or hammer to here, and the attachment is S40 standard, so basically any equipment that is made for that standard can be equipped with this unit. So proudly presenting this made in Finland package here today. This can be also remote controlled. So here is the remote control itself. So basically you can be wherever you want beside the tractor outside. If you have to dig something really deep and have to be careful, you can always see what you are doing. Alright, and on this challenge with me is today mechanic from Unlimited Studio, Jussi.
Hello.
Okay, let's find out how we do this. Let's go. So basically what you need on this project is 36mm wrench and 17mm socket. That's it. Okay, first thing we do, we lower the legs a bit, but the idea is not to put them fully to the ground at this point. We just lower them near to the ground. And the next one is that we put the beam to the furthest detachment position, right about there. We don't put it straight to the ground yet. Next phase is that we loosen the frame bolts with the 36mm wrench. There are 4 of them. So the next phase is that we take out of the mounting pins from the frame using 70mm socket. And other side also. So next phase is that we use the beam to give loose for the mounting pins to get off. And also from the other side, like that. And now Jussi is getting out of the frame, and we will start lifting the implement off from the frame. And now we back up a little bit. Seems to be okay to move a little bit forward. At this point I will turn the tractor off, so it's safe for Jussi to get between the implement and tractor. We start with the power beyond, bigger hoses, and with the electrical attachment. And the free flow is the last one we take off. So now it's detached and I can drive the tractor to other tasks. Alright, and attachment starts with the hydraulic hoses Jussi is getting between the tractor and the implement. But of course tractor is not running at the moment, so it's easy and safe to go between. Attachment starts with the free flow and continuing with the power beyond connections. And continuing with the power beyond big hoses. Nice. So now we start the tractor. And I'm approaching with the B range of the tractor and slowly towards the implement itself. And the next phase is that I lower implement and lift the legs full up. Next phase is that we use the beam to get the mounting pins in the right place. Like that. And 17mm bolt back into its place to hold the mounting pin. And the second side as well. So the next phase is that I will lift up the beam so it's hanging only by its own weight. Like that. Okay, and next phase is that we tighten the bolts, 36mm bolts, to take the loose, so to say, off. Okay, and next phase is to check the hydraulic hoses that they are where they should be. And the last thing, of course, is that you check the functions of the tractor. So basically now ready to work again. And that's it. So, I think we had a good lesson today about this implement with Jussi, and the lesson learned is that it's really possible to detach this implement in 20 minutes. So the total time we spent was 9 minutes and 32 seconds, and we took this quite, so to say, calmly and safely, so we don't get any oil spills on face or broken thumb or whatever. So this was, I would say that this was success. Thank you, Jussi.